The drill to finish slice or push. It's more for bringing his wrist turn because the left hand is very solidly stiff, doesn't allow the right hand to take over. So we stand cross, try to do a wrist action swing. Beautiful, what a golf shot. That's more than 170 yards. We just want that wrist rotation to be part of the swing because that will bring good stability and direction for your shots. It's a very initial start, first fifth lesson already, but we were having little difficulty with the wrist rotation, so we are trying to do this drill to be able to bring the snap of the wrist into the swing. And we need to exaggerate, just standing a little bit cross, showing your back to the target, looking at the ball and turning the wrist fast. There you go. Keep working on it. Excellent. It's getting there. If you see, remember the first day and now is a big difference, you know. You start hitting almost 200 yards. Just carry on with it. Yeah, we need to just turn a little bit more so you can keep your left grip slightly softer so the right hand can take over the left hand. You're doing great, just keep it up. There you go. Excellent, and your weight transfer is good now. This drill will help you understanding the snap of the wrists. Those wrists were very stubborn, they were not turning at all. So we are just trying to concentrate to make a turn. Wow, that is a beautiful golf shot. The best one you hit so far. Wonderful. Very good. Yaya is a good student. He tries and cooperates a lot with me. And we both are working to improve his golf before he leaves back to UK. Lessons are expensive over there. Excellent, just keep the grip soft and let's just turn the wrist. Beautiful. How that feels now? Good. Very nice. Not hitting the net anymore on the right side, you see. That's the difference. The playability of the club started already. What we really need to work on to inject that wrist action into the swing to be able to get the direction. Beautiful. See, now you're really getting used to it and gaining more confidence. That's it's all about, you know. Once the brain is convinced, it will start happening. Very nice. Check the direction of the shots now. And also the trajectory is a little more penetrating because your wrist is creating a little more speed. Beautiful, Yaya bhai. Very nice. That's a good one. Now we are striding forward. Excellent. Excellent. And you know, the reason we are doing all those drills, when you go back, if you have little difficulty, you will know what to do. So you will have the education of improving your golf swing. Because every coach will teach you differently. You go to somebody else, he'll try differently. So that's the best way. And the other way is online coaching. I do that. So whenever it's needed, you can always call me on WhatsApp and we can set a time and do the session. Just get a big backswing so you can generate more power. The backswing is actually the source of generation of power. So try to get a good backswing, high backswing, and then think of snapping the wrist like this. You see, it's almost like a full swing. Just trying to hit it almost like a full swing. Hit one more and then try to hit it normal. Just one more shot for me. This should be a very aggressive swing. Then you can hit the normal shots the way you would conventionally stand and hit. Excellent, yeah, very nice. Great job. Now you can hit normal. Done excellent with that. Great job. Did you felt a little bit your wrist rotation on those shots? Excellent. And that's the reason, you see, it did happen. Very good. Take a big backswing because that's source of power, and then snapping would do the direction for you. Very nice, excellent. Now we're trying to bring those muscles into the swing to get a little more power out of the shots. Keep it up, no problem. That's still good going. Just at least nothing is going right anymore. That's the biggest improvement that we've done today. Yeah. Beautiful. Much better. Very comfortable now.